Over there you have the Rama 8 bridge. Yeah, today is a beautiful day. Good morning. I'm here in the Khao area in front of the Phra Sumen Fort, which I will show you a little bit later. But I just noticed here this very nice shopping row, let's call it like this. I think in the US you call it the strip mall. And there's some very nice shops here, and I noticed some nice places to eat. This is a very typical traditional. Some of them are closed now. I don't know if that's because of COVID or because it's Monday early morning. Here you can have a really nice smoothie at the H Cafe. And you have a great view of the fortress in front here. So the Phra Sumen Fortress is here on the corner of the river. It was constructed in the reign of Rama I and connected here with the Santichaiprakan Park. I just did a live stream this morning where I walked from Chinatown towards the old town past the Grand Palace, and I ended up here. And it's actually quite funny because I've been here a couple of times, but I never really went into the park. And normally also I was not in the morning, so it was very hot. But today I'm here at the perfect timing, so I'm very happy to share this with you. Yeah, because of COVID, of course, there is only one entrance to the park. But when all this is finished and you guys can travel again, then I would definitely recommend to come and have a look here. Yeah, normally you are able to get into the fortress, but unfortunately that's not possible now. But let me show you a little bit about the park as well. The park is directly on the river. It's very nicely kept. And there in the back you have the Rama 8 bridge. Yeah, inside the park there's really a lot of pigeons, I noticed, and there's also a few squirrels. So let's see if I can find a squirrel. Yeah, so Bangkok used to have an old city wall, and on every corner you had this kind of fortresses. And this one is left, and then at the Golden Mount there is another one. As I mentioned, this was built in the reign of King Rama I, so it's not 100% sure when it was finished, but King Rama I died in 1809, so it must be from somewhere at the end of the 18th century, beginning 19th century. Over there you have the Rama 8 bridge. Yeah, today is a beautiful day. It's around 9:30 in the morning. Yeah, here next to it you have a canal as well. So normally when there's no COVID you can just roam around, it's no problem. But now everything is closed off. It's a beautiful tree also. Yeah, so the shape of the building is like an octagon. They have the big cannon still in here, and in the central part it's, you know, where they can keep the ammunition. Yeah, from here the city was protected for anybody who was going through the river. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.